Kamagata is something we've had in our Rolodex for a while, ever since we started manufacturing knives in Japan. Japanese knives as a collection for us have been incredible. What started as a limited edition knife a year and a half ago has turned into now a full assortment. Now we're going kind of deep into the archives of really cool Japanese shapes and making them available to you guys in a design with a bolster and a handle that matches our full knife assortment, whether it be Western or Eastern style knives. A Kamagata is a Japanese vegetable cleaver. You're getting the power of a Nakiri blade with the precision of more of a utility knife. It's light, it's maneuverable. It's not about being able to power through ingredients. It's all about being able to maneuver through precise cuts and prep vegetables. And the flat blade of the Kamagata allows you to cut flush to the cutting board, so you don't need to use those kind of rocking motions you might with other knives. Like all of our other Japanese knives, we source VG10 Damascus steel from Seki, Japan. It's an old knife-making process of folding many layers of steel on top of each other, and that leaves that tiger stripe-like design on the blade itself. No two are the same. Those tiger stripes make your knife totally unique to you, yet still maintains precise performance. The handle shape is traditional to Japanese style in that it's a bit rounded, but it is a little untraditional in that we use a bolster. This is perfect for ergonomics. It allows you to feel super comfortable using this knife shift in and shift out, or night in and night out. And at the end of the day, it matches a cohesive collection of all of our knives. With this one, we're using mobi wood. It's incredibly durable, it's rot resistant, but it does have this unique tiger stripe pattern, which actually works really nicely with the Damascus steel itself. We're really excited about offering a Kamagata knife. Through our Japanese assortment, we're able to dial into these really special shapes that chefs everywhere just love to have in their knife rolls. It's always super cool to see folks trust us in curating their knife block and taking a chance on a new shape and kind of opening their eyes to what a good knife in a unique shape can do to their cooking.